You can make up to $3,000 a week just by using 20 minutes of your day by posting on Pinterest. And no, this is not going to be just another video saying a bunch of stuff that may or may not work. I have literally tested this myself and have made thousands of dollars using the methods that I'm about to show you. I've managed to quit my full-time career doing this, and now I make twice, if not 3 times the amount of money I used to make in my last 9-to-5 job in one of the top 3 insurance companies in the UK. This method is very unsaturated and not many people are doing it, and anybody who has the computer skills of a 5-year-old can do it, and all you need is a phone or a computer and obviously some Wi-Fi. The best part of this is that once you have the foundation set up, this strategy can turn into a passive income, meaning that you can make money even when you're not actively putting the work in. Let's be honest, you want to make as much money as possible without spending a lot of time learning and trying different side hustles without even knowing if they will work. I get it, I've been there myself. That's why in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can achieve this using a very simple beginner-friendly business model called affiliate marketing. So if you want to replace your 9-to-5 completely, or just want to make an extra $1,000 or $3,000 a week on the side and have the money and freedom to travel the world, support your family, and become a self-sufficient individual, then keep watching because I'm about to show you exactly how, even if you have no experience or social media following. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's a simple business model where you help companies make more sales, and in exchange, they pay you a commission. All of your sales are tracked by a special link, but more on that later in the video. I know there are literally so many mixed opinions about affiliate marketing, but instead of listening to them or even me, you can see for yourself that affiliate marketing is a rapidly growing industry that was worth $8.2 billion in 2022 and has now more than doubled at a staggering $17 billion in 2023. Not only that, but over 80% of companies in the world offer affiliate programs, because having a real person, in that case you, the affiliate marketer, promote the company's products makes it a lot more authentic and trustworthy compared to that same company runs ads on Facebook or social media in general. People buy from people who they trust. That's why affiliate marketing is so successful and it's never going to go away. I mean, even on Google Trends, you can see that affiliate marketing is a lot more popular than dropshipping, for example. So don't listen to what anyone says. Affiliate marketing is here to stay because it provides a win-win situation for both the company and the affiliate marketer. Companies can leverage the expertise of an affiliate to promote their products or services, while affiliates can earn commission for each sale that they generate. So what exactly are we going to be doing? We're going to be repurposing content like photos and videos and post them on Pinterest. And I'm going to show you exactly how to create the content, and of course all of the tools that I'm going to use will be completely free. I'm also going to show you exactly where to get your affiliate links from and how to drive traffic to them, because the hardest part of affiliate marketing is actually getting eyeballs to your products and getting people to buy them. But thankfully I've done this for years, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to pinterest.com and create an account. I've already created mine. This is what it looks like, just my name and a profile picture. Make sure that it looks nice and professional, because people will actually decide whether to buy your products or not based on your profile, because this will be their first impression. Having said that though, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. Now, how do you actually grab people's attention and get them to buy your products? Well, it's very simple. You post content. Now let's head over to canva.com, which is where we're going to create our content. Canva is completely free to use and it's very simple, and I'm going to walk you through how to create everything as well. The first thing you want to do is create a free account, and then on the search bar type in Pinterest and then select a Pinterest pin. This is the main page where you're going to create all of your content like videos and pictures. But before you start creating content, you need to pick a product that you're going to promote. For that, let's head over to Digistore24, which is a free affiliate marketplace. Again, it's free to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Once you're logged in, head over to marketplace and then all offers on the affiliate marketplace. And this is where you can pick a niche. So a niche is a category of products that you can promote. And for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with business and investment. And in this video, I'm going to go with Freedom Accelerator because they pay about $600 per sale and up to 50% commission. So next, what you want to do is click promote now, and this right here is your unique affiliate link, which we'll need later, and this is how the company is going to track your sales. Make sure to copy and save that because we're going to need it later. Now, how are we going to get clicks really quick? So head over back to Pinterest. So here in the Pinterest search bar, you want to type in something that's related to your niche and the product that you're promoting. For example, if you promote something in the fitness niche, you want to type in fitness and then see what is doing well on the platform, what posts are getting the most engagement, and so on. But because my product is about making money online, I'm going to type in money, then just pick something that's most relevant to your product. And what you want to do is go onto the share button and then copy the link. Then head over back to Google and type in Pinterest downloader and hit the first link, then paste the URL that you just copied and hit download and download PNG. And here's your image, right click and then save as, and then you can save it to your desktop. Now let's go back to Canva and drag the image right into the white part. Then you want to just drag it around and make it fit the whole screen. This looks alright. Now you want to put text on that image, and you want to think of something that will grab people's attention, and it will make them click on your image and then on your link and buy the product. So head over to text and just add a heading. Then we're going to type in how to make money online and achieve financial freedom. Make sure to change the font so it is visible a lot better. Once you're done with editing your photo, click on share and then download, select PNG and then download. And the photo is going to download to your computer. Now we're back in Pinterest, head over to your profile and then click on create pin. Click on the little plus here and then drag the image that we just downloaded in here. Now you want to make sure the title is actually catchy. For example, I'm going to put how I quit my 9 to 5 doing affiliate marketing. And the most important part is to grab your link from Digistore 24 that we looked at earlier, and then make sure to paste it in here where it says paste your link. Now this will ensure that every time somebody sees your picture, they can click on it, it'll take them directly to the product page when they can purchase your product and you can earn a commission. You can add tags in the search sections just to make sure people will find you a lot easier. So let's do entrepreneur, then you can put money and maybe finance. Now, once you have all of this filled up, you can go ahead and hit publish. So now your pin is ready to be discovered by people who are interested in making money online or whatever topic you chose earlier. And every time somebody clicks on that pin, it will take them straight to the affiliate page where they can purchase your product and you will receive commissions straight away. Now, I want to be honest with you and say that you might have to post quite a bit of these in order to see some decent results. I didn't make any money with affiliate marketing in the first few weeks, but I stayed consistent and I posted every day, sometimes 2-3 times a day. And then I started receiving daily commissions. Be patient and post consistently at least 2-3 weeks, and I have no doubt that you will see results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.